Here I have Nokia 9 PureView, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do it, what you have to do is to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Battery Saver. So by tapping on it, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can set up a schedule for it based on percentage. So for example, at 15% battery, this mode will be enabled automatically. And you can also set it to turn off when device is fully charged or like at 19%. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.